Okay, so with our system that we have, you can purchase 4 digital products. We have different ranges, 50, 150, 300, 600. Depends on what your goals are, how much you want to make. You can start off with, let's say you start with the 300 and 30 days later you can upgrade to the 600 if that's what you want to do. Just check it out and see. That is it. No monthly cost. There is a website fee to set up. $39 for 3 of the products and $59 for the $600 product. Then you have all this complete training that is yours to resell at 100% commission. I mentioned this before. It's like having a textbook that you buy for your thousands and thousands and thousands of dollar college classes, and you resell that textbook. But you don't just resell it once. You can resell it over and over and over and over again. So if you could buy one textbook for $200 and resell it over multiple times, why wouldn't you do it? It's a no-brainer. That's what this is. This is like you get to resell this digital textbook over and over and over again. 100% commission. That's it. Go on. It's not an MLM. It's not a pyramid. They've got the digital product now. They own the textbook. They can resell it. And then in our community, Michelle has put together additional help and training. You could call it Cliff Notes. So we've got this amazing training that they have given us. Amazing. She has created what you would call Cliff Notes to help walk you through it step by step. Any struggle that she came across or anybody else, she has figured out how to help fix that struggle and has given you videos on how to do it. It is paint by numbers. She gives you templates. You replace it with your information, customize it to fit you and your personality. That's it. It's so simple. It's a no-brainer. Why wouldn't you do it? 2 hours a day. I don't understand. Why would you not do it? Unless you like, and some people do, going to their corporate job or working 9 to 5 or working for someone else. I want to be the CEO of my company. That's what I want to do. I want to retire this year and replace my income. If you have questions, put more info in the comments and I can get you some information.